Hello guys, so this is day 5 in Bali and we are about to check out from our hotel in Kuta.
और अब हम जाएंगे उबुद में और चेक इन करने के बाद हम उबुद एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। उबुद को स्पिरिचुअल हार्टलैंड ऑफ बाली भी कहते हैं बिकॉज इट्स कल्चर एंड स्टाइल आर लार्जर देन लाइफ। फेमस फॉर इट्स हैंडीक्राफ्ट, lush green tropical jungles, terraced rice fields, and Hindu temples and shrines, Ubud Holiday shows you the most authentic part of Bali in the best way possible. Shopping, temple hopping, and coffee tasting are just a few of the unique things to do in Ubud.
So now we have finally reached our Ubud hotel and the view is amazing.
तो कोटा से यहाँ आने में हमें 2 घंटे लग गए। अगर आप भी ऐसे ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू स्टार्ट योर डे अर्ली ताकि आपका पूरा टाइम कम्यूट में वेस्ट ना हो। अगर आप बाइक पे ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो इट माइट नॉट टेक यू दैट मच टाइम, बट कैब्स यूजुअली बहुत ट्रैफिक में फंस जाती है बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ वेरी स्मॉल रोड टुवर्ड्स उबुद, तो वहाँ पर बहुत लंबा जाम था। तो हम रुके हैं बेकुंग उबुद रिजॉर्ट एंड विलास पे और इनके रूम्स बहुत ही सुंदर हैं। लेट्स हैव अ टूर। So this is our room for next 3 days. Many hotels in Ubud are nestled in lush greenery, offering breathtaking views of rice terraces.
After relaxing a bit, we went on a walk towards Ubud Central Market and hoping to find a good place to eat as well, as it was almost lunchtime. Eventually we found a good place, La Bracca. They serve authentic Italian food and contemporary dishes. All of the pasta and pizza are homemade over here. And after having amazing lunch at this cafe, we went on our journey towards Art Market of Ubud.
Ubud Traditional Art Market is one of Bali's best markets, selling a variety of authentic and artisanal goods by locals. You'll be able to find unique silk scarves, homemade crockery, woven bags, perfect as souvenirs of Bali to bring home to your loved ones. The market is open daily from 8 am to 5 pm, and some of the stalls are even open until late at the night. Remember to practice your bargaining skills when shopping at Ubud Art Market, as vendors generally quote high price for foreigners. Enjoy exploring the market, interacting with the friendly vendors, and finding unique treasures that capture the essence of Balinese art and culture.
मार्केट के पास बहुत ही फेमस अट्रैक्शंस भी हैं, जैसे सरस्वती टेम्पल, सेक्रेड मंकी फॉरेस्ट, उबुद पैलेस एंड राइस फील्ड्स। तो आओ सबसे पहले हम चलते हैं सरस्वती टेम्पल। सरस्वती टेम्पल ऑफ उबुद इज डेडिकेटेड टू ऑनर द हिंदू गॉडेस सरस्वती, द गॉडेस ऑफ लर्निंग, लिटरेचर एंड आर्ट। दिस टेम्पल इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड आर्टिस्टिक, सो मैनी टूरिस्ट विजिट हेयर। पूरा तमन सरस्वती टेम्पल हैज़ वाटर गार्डन एंड लोटस पॉन्ड एज द सेंटर ऑफ इट अट्रैक्शन. There is a bridge that connects the outer area of the temple to the main gate area. So when you cross the bridge, you will see many statues lined up at the edge of the bridge. Then you will see the beauty of the main gate with the 3 large doors with golden ornaments. Although we are not allowed to visit the main temple building, but you will see a high wall, and behind the wall there is a giant statue about 3 meters high. On the northeast side, you will see a place of worship called Padmasana, And at the base of the Padmasana building, there is a turtle shaped sculpture wrapped around two dragons. This temple is decorated with so many fine carvings, and the combination of temple gate and lotus pond architecture makes this famous amongst photographers. Temple is open every day from 7 am to 5 pm. There is no entry fees for the temple area, but if you want to watch Balinese dance at the Saraswati temple, you will be charged a ticket for the dance performance.
Next, we went to Ubud Palace. This is just opposite to Saraswati Temple. Also known as Puri Saran Agung, this place is official residence of Ubud's royal family. The original building dates from 1640. Nowadays, the heir of the last Balinese king occupy the palace. The complex collapsed during 1917 earthquake and was rebuilt in 1928 to bolster tourism in Ubud. The palace comprises a large number of buildings, a private temple and a meeting room. The Auditorium Vantillan is a large space used exclusively for meetings. The Pura Marajan Agung temple, located on the north side of the compound, serves the royal family. This historical piece of art tells a great deal about the region's past century through its amazing carving and divine statues. If you are enjoying our Bali series, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Ubud is unique in every way. The lifestyle here is very different compared to other Bali destinations like Kuta and Seminyak. Anyone who wishes to ditch the crowded touristy beaches needs to consider this location. It is the cultural capital of Bali and is filled with colorful art galleries, vibrant museum, cool cafes and beautiful temples spread everywhere.
With this, our day 5 came to an end. But before signing off, we had dinner at Dinara Ubud. We enjoyed the warm ambience and delicious food over there. Their dragon smoothie and pavlova are must try. Also, we have many more fun-filled activities planned for tomorrow, so see you in the next episode of the Bali series. Thank you for watching.